radio station.
Very good afternoon, Mr. Shah. Thanks for a very good show.
Thank you for the show and all the information that you're providing.
Hi, Shah Peerally. Thank you so much.
Hi, Mr. Shah. Thanks for doing this program.
Hi, Shah. Thank you.
Hi, Shah. Thanks for picking up my call.
Hi, Shah. My name is Kunal. Let me thank you for this wonderful show. It's been a tremendous help, actually.
Mr. Shah Peerally, thanks for sharing the information.
Good afternoon, sir. I would like to congratulate. It's a wonderful show, and lots of people are getting benefited in different areas like immigration and settlement and all.
Yeah, good afternoon. So, first of all, thank you very much for providing all this useful information. Really appreciate.
I've been listening to your shows. I know I've been listening to your shows only on Mondays, but I from now on I'll try to make it a point to listen to it, the other days also. Thank you for doing such a great show.
Thank you for taking my call. It's a wonderful show.
Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Shah. Appreciate your talk show and daily listener about this, and it's very informative.
Yeah, hi, Shah. Thank you for taking my call.
Hi, Rajesh. Hi, thanks for taking my call, and first of all, thank you very much for your service to the community. So, thanks for briefing up the current situation. Unfortunately, it's affecting but the good people as well, whose aspiration is this country. Thanks, Mr. Shah. Thanks for taking my call.
You're welcome, sir.
Hi, this is Ravi. Thanks for taking my call, Shah Peerally.
Hello, is this Mr. Shah Peerally?
Yeah, this is Shah. You're live on air.
Yes, good morning. Thanks for taking my call. Good, thanks.
Happy holidays.
Oh, thank you, and the same to you. Hi, sir. It's a great show you're doing. Thanks for all your help. Thanks so much.
From all of us at the Shah Peerally Law Group, we want to thank you, the audience, for making 2015 such a great year. We wish you a happy and prosperous year in 2016.
Thank you for your kind words. Thank you very much.
The Shah Peerally Law Group is now opening its second office in San Francisco. After years of popular demand, the law group has finally decided to make the big jump and has its presence in San Francisco. For more than 10 years, the law group founded by the prominent attorney Shah Peerally has been dedicated to the immigrant community. The law group's new office is opening on February 20th, 2015, at the corner of 21st and Mission Street in the great city of San Francisco. For more information, call 415-643-4342 or 510-742-5887 or email sf@peerallylaw.com. Choose excellence. Choose the Shah Peerally Law Group. No attorney-client relationship is created by this ad.
Attention, attention. Are you tired of expensive, low-quality web service providers? And are you looking for stunning, amazing, high-quality websites and want your website rank on first page of Google? तो आपकी तलाश खत्म होती है यहाँ. Please contact People Inc. on 510-449-9049, 510-449-9049, or visit them at www.beerbulls.com. Beerbulls Inc. offers award-winning custom-built websites, web and mobile application development, and internet marketing services. So contact कीजिए Beerbulls Inc. को 510-449-9049. आपको satisfy करना और hard work करना, यही Beerbulls Inc. का मकसद है.
If you would like to find out how your second or third mortgage can be removed for a fraction of its price, call 510-742-5887. Due to the uncertain economy, many people have settled their debts for a fraction of its value. It's recommended to use an experienced lawyer to deal with it. Shah Peerally is an experienced debt settlement attorney and has handled hundreds of such cases successfully. There are no upfront fees for debt settlement. Only when you win, you pay. Call Shah Peerally, attorney at law, at 510-742-5887 or visit yourdebtsettlementattorney.com for a free assessment. This is just an advertisement. No attorney-client relationship is established by this ad. The law does not guarantee success. Call 510-742-5887.
And now, from the San Francisco Bay Area studios, KLOK proudly presents to you the prominent attorney Shah Peerally for the Shah Peerally Law Show. coming at you with over 50,000 watts of power. The Shah Peerally Law Show, where all your views matter.
Hello, everybody. Assalamu alaikum, sastakar, namaskar to all the listeners. This is attorney Shah Peerally for the Shah Peerally Law Show. Today, of course, we're going to discuss about immigration issues that are really pertinent to our field of immigration, of course. And we will be opening the line, of course, in a few minutes at 489125565. And today I have Michaela on the board with me. Welcome, Michaela. And also we are going to have a discussion a little bit about U visa, but we will open the line for everything when it comes to immigration, whether it's family petitions, H-1B, L-1 visa, labor certification, you name it. Feel free to call the studio line 408-912-5565, and also you can call our office if you have any questions, 510-742-5887. And, of course, anything I'm going to tell you today, ladies and gentlemen, is only my opinion, and you should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. The number to the studio today is 408-912-5565, and the number to our office, 510-742-5887. And if in case you want to check on our website, you can just type attorneyonair.com or peerallylaw.com. They both go on the same website. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to discuss a little bit about U visa and how it works. The U visa, I've been getting a lot of questions because people don't know about it. The U visa is a very powerful visa. In fact, for many people who are even undocumented or who entered illegally, they are eligible for the U visa provided they file a waiver. And the U visa works this way. It's for people who have been victims of certain crimes. There are listed of 51 or 52 crimes that are covered under the U visa. And once you get it certified, then you move forward with the USCIS. I'll talk a little bit more details about the U visa in a few, but let me take some callers. This is Shah Peerally. You're live on air. Hello.
Hey, Shah, this is Prasad.
Hi, Prasad. How are you?
Yeah, doing good. I have a question. So I have my 140 approved, and I'm planning to change my employer. So the H1 period which was left on my current tenure it's getting expired in October 2016.
Mm-hmm.
So, but if I apply with my new employer with the I-140 approved copy, am I going to get 3 more years or only the extension? What is the remaining period in the current tenure?
Technically, you should get 3 more years, provided 3 things. One, at the time of the approval, the I-140 has not been revoked by your previous employer. And 2, provided also that, by the time it's approved, okay, not by the time you file. So you have to, what I advise you is to wait for an approval, then you move to company B. And then also provided you have a contract, of course, if you're going with a consulting firm, then make sure you have a contract for above 6 months, above 1 year, to get 3 years. But if you're going with a regular company, you should probably get your full 3 years as long as the I-140 is still alive.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay. Good luck to you. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here. Hello.
Hey, good morning, Mr. Shah.
Good morning, sir.
So I have a question. So if an employer on H-1B with an employer has an approved I-140, and the firm is also approved, so if there's a role change for the employee within the same company, how does that impact the existing H-1B petition as well as the approved I-140? So it's not a job location change, it's just a role change if that happens.
Well, the rule works this way. It's not only a location change that you have to do an amendment. If you are also doing a material change on your job, you might have to do an amendment. So amendment is not limited to changing jobs. That's one thing. Now the I-140, as long as the offer stands for that previous job, you can use that I-140. But if down the road they are planning not to put you in that position where the I-140 was obtained, they have to refile a new perm and a new I-140. So this is how it impacts it. So as long as you're going to go back to that job that the I-140 has been approved for, you should be eligible to use that I-140. But as for the H-1B, if you're doing a material change means anything from moving location to changing job description, you need to do an amendment. That's all.
So can the amendment be taken care as part of an extension filing? For example,
Yes.
if the extension is coming up, it can be done as part of that itself, right?
Yes. That's what actually I recommend people to do, is to save the money and save the headache, because sometimes I have a situation right now where an amendment was filed, an extension was filed, and the two didn't merge, and we end up by having a complication. Well, it's not one of the people who consulted with me had this complication. It was not done by my office, but in my office we usually do both if we have a chance to do both, because it's useless to do only one and waste the money twice, plus it creates a lot of confusion. So yeah, do your extension and your amendment in one, okay?
In last question, sorry. In case there is no change in the responsibilities, does that also warrant any change in the I-140 and perm application to be refiled?
No, you have to understand the concept. The perm itself is for future employment, right? So if in the future they will give you this, for example, let's say they put you in a lower position, and in the future they will give you back your lower position, that's fine. But if they're upgrading you, then logic says, hey, you cannot go back to this position. Then we recommend that you refile a new perm, etc. Most companies will do that, but it's up to them what they decide. But the truth is that when the time comes, your dates becomes current, etc., you need to make sure that you're going back to that position. That's all. So if there is an upgrade or even a change of position, you need to refile a new perm. Okay? It's recommended. Okay. All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got some very interesting calls. I was talking a little bit about issues on I-140, and hopefully, if you want to call, you don't have to call only on I-140 or H-1B. We do also family petitions, asylum, and feel free to call us. 408-912-5565. This is the number to the studio. And if you want a private consultation, the number to our office is 510-742-5887. 510-742-5887. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in air.
Hi, Mr. Shah. How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Okay.
Hi.
I have a question. I have applied for the H4 extension, and later on I have applied for the H4 to F1 change of status. And now I have received my H4 extension approval. But still the F1 H4 to F1 change of status is in pending.
Well, yeah, it's good actually you receive one after the other. Which one you want to be, on H4 or on F1?
I wanted to be on F1.
Okay. So it's good because while you had an extension, you could not possibly really do an F1 change of status. So it's good the H4 is approved. You might just have to inform USCIS and let them know that H4 is approved to move your H4 to H1. So F1 will continue, double check with them, give them a call, and whoever filed for you, have them mail the approval notice for the H4. Otherwise, they would not even have given you the change of status to F1 if it was pending. So it's good actually your H4 is approved. So just wait on your F1. Once the F1 gets approved, you'll be on F1, okay? But let them know that the H4 was approved now, so that because in order for you to move status, you have to be in a solid status. While you're doing an extension, you're not in a solid status. You're in a period of stay authorized by the Attorney General, which doesn't allow you to change status because you're not in status. But by you getting that one, the H4 approved, you should be fine, but just let them know, okay?
Okay. Actually, when I applied, I was in status of H4. Later on, extension has filed.
Oh, okay, perfect then. Good. Okay, then you're fine. Don't worry about it. You should be fine. The H4, the last one that comes in is what's going to control. So since F1 has not come in yet, so F1 will be controlling. But make sure that you check online if they have not canceled the F1 process. Okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So now
Good
I
luck.
should not inform USCIS, right?
You don't have to, because when you filed the H1, you were not in a pending status. You were in a solid status. Okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you. But you didn't have to file the H4 extension. You should have just waited on the F1.
Actually, that was filed earlier. Later on, I have filed for the change of status to F1.
Oh, okay, beautiful. Okay, the last rule in will count. That means basically when the F1 gets approved, you will no longer be an H4. Okay? Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if I have more callers right now, but this is Shah Peerally. You're live on air. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hi.
Mr.
How
Shah?
are you?
Hi.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I would like to file family petition. I would like to sponsor green card for my family to my sister. So it's not. What is the procedure? I mean, can I even sponsor green card for them? I'm a citizen.
Yeah, you can file. You can file for your sister, and her spouse also will be included in that, and any children under 21. So it's one petition. You file the I-130 petition, and then you wait. It's a lot of waiting time. It's around 10 to 12 years of waiting time. But you can file it. You need to file it as soon as possible. And if you need help filing it, just give me a call at the office at 510-742-5887. I'll help you. But it's only I-130 at this point. Once the dates become current in 12 years or so, then you file for the rest of the paperwork. Okay?
But you said it's going to take 10 years?
Minimum is 10 years. Actually, it goes up to 15 years sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
I'm being nice to say 10 years. Okay. So it's not really 10 years, unfortunately. Yeah. So, but it goes pretty fast. So go ahead and file it as soon as possible. And if you need help, just give me a call at the office. Okay?
I will
do.
Thanks.
Good luck to you. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live on air. Hello.
Hi, Shah. Good morning. Thanks for taking my call.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah. So my question is about my dependent visa. I have recently moved from L1 to H1 on October 2015. And at that time, my employer didn't file the L2 to H4 for them. Later on, he applied 1 month back saying a change of status for them. Basically, they are out of state, but they still filed H4 for them using a change of status I-539. And I'm yet to get the response from them. So my question is, what's the approximate time the change of status gets?
Okay, let me ask you. When they filed for the L2 to H4, were you already, H1B was already approved?
Yes, my H1B was approved and it was active.
Okay, then it was wrong because technically she went out of status. You couldn't really do a change of status. You might be lucky they kind of ignore it, but I will not recommend doing that. The best way in your solution to solve the problem for your wife is to make her leave the country, get an H4 stamp, and come back. But make sure you count the days. How many days passed since you got your H1?
I think I passed around 3 months.
Okay. So you need to move fast because if 180 days has passed, they won't give her the H4. So I would recommend having her leave the country. Give me a call at the office. I'll analyze your case because I don't want you to leave the country too. And then because the lawyer definitely made a mistake there. And now you're going to have another issue of, because technically you cannot file change of status because the day your H1 kicked in, her L2 got out of is out, right?
Okay.
So you cannot do a change of status from zero. So the best way to do that is usually just to make the person leave the country, get an H4 stamp, and come back because the H4 stamp is not hard to get. So I would recommend you give me a call before she leaves or make any move because the change of status might get denied. And by the time it gets denied, you might be having the issue of 180 days on your head. You won't be able to leave the country. So be careful on that, okay?
Okay.
It
Thank
can
you
have
very much.
really bad consequences. So make sure if you leave the country, you leave right now. The best solution in this case would have been to leave the country, get a stamp, come back. It would have made everything clean. Okay?
Okay. Thank you very much. Yep.
Good luck to you. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here. Excuse me. Sorry. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here. Hello? Hello? Okay. I think I don't have any callers on the line. So please, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, feel free to call our office at 510-742. Hello? Hello, I lost the caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here.
Hi, Shah. My name is Varun.
Hi, Varun. How are you?
Yeah, I'm traveling to India in March, and I'll be back on May 10th. My visa is going to expire on May 23rd of 2016, but my extension is already filed. But seeing the current wait times, it is most likely it's not going to get approved before I travel. Is it okay to travel, and I'm coming back when my visa is still valid? Is it okay to travel when my extension is in process?
Well, you have three things in this case. As long as your visa is stamped on your passport, you can come in. But what is on your I-94 right now, on the 797 right now? Till what date do you have?
May 23rd.
Yeah, you won't be able to come back because until the extension gets approved and you have 6 months on it, they won't let you in. Even your stamp is good. The stamp has no problem. But I would recommend if you want to travel, go premium your case, extension, get it approved, and then you leave the country and come before March 23rd. And then when you come at the airport, they will give you a new I-94. As long as the visa is valid on the passport, even for one day, you can enter. But if you don't have a 797, which is valid for 6 months, they won't let you enter. And an extension doesn't grant you anything because it's pending. So in order for you to do that, I would recommend doing premium, get it approved, then you leave and come back. And come back before 23rd.
How about once I'm in India, I can get my visa stamped so that I have a stamp till May 23rd. In that case, can I travel?
How are you going to get stamped? Your case is pending.
No, for my previous visa, I don't have stamping yet in my in my passport. So for my extension, after my previous extension, I haven't traveled out of the country.
That's not the point. What is on your 797 right now before the extension? When does it expire? I'm not talking about the stamp on your passport. Forget about the stamp. The 797, what is the date on that?
It's May 23rd.
Yeah, then how are you going to get a stamp? They won't give you a stamp like that. You have to have an approval of extension, then you will get a stamp.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
It doesn't matter. They won't give that automatically. It's not an H4. H1 has to be first approved with the Department of Homeland Security. Then you take that for stamping, etc., etc. And if you're confused, don't leave the country. Talk to me first before you leave, because if you leave, you might get stuck there until your case gets approved to come back. Okay?
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. So the number to call to our office, 510-742-5887. And the website to check is attorneyonair.com or peerallylaw.com. I think I have more callers. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here. Hello. Yes.
Hi, this is Srini from Fremont.
Hi, Srini.
So, hi. I have a question. So I had actually applied for 485. It's about 4 years ago. And then actually, I had H1 and EAD. So 4 months back, I moved to a different employer, actually using my EAD.
Yeah.
So I didn't file the SC21. Actually, I didn't use the SC21. So my question is, should I actually file the SC21 now, or actually, because my question is actually I would be changing an employer probably within another 6 months or so. I'm not sure. So.
Yeah, you need to file it. Okay, this is the thing. AC-21 is not a letter, it's not a filing. AC-21 is a movement. It requires two elements. 180 days has passed, and you move to a same or similar position. So I recommend to have that letter always on file, because you don't want them to come back and say you broke that same or similar position, because 180 days you probably passed it already, so you don't have an issue. So I recommend filing it. Or if you're having problems filing it, you're moving to the next company, the next company will file it too. But it's always good to have it filed for each company, so that down the road they don't come back and say you violated your rule. So it's very hard for me to tell you if it is a good idea to file now or not, but usually I say yes. But if you want, I can look at it and tell you what is best. So give me a call at the office, we'll do a consultation. But if you get a chance to file it, yes, do file it, because it will help you in the future, okay?
Sure. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Good luck to you. Yeah, you're welcome. 510-742-5887. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here. Hello?
Yeah, my name is Suhas. Hi, hi, Shah. This is Suhas.
Hi, Swaj.
I had a question regarding labor processing for a green card. My company agrees to start the green card process, but there is a little bit of a problem. The location might not be constant, meaning after a few months, they may or may not move me to a completely new location, and I'm talking about different state. So in such a scenario, do you recommend me, at least starting the labor process and later on, if required, update or do an amendment? Or should I wait till the right till I know my permanent?
Those are the kind of questions that I really need to look closely. But truthfully, is the company moving or is just you moving?
No, it's just the company. The company is there, but I may have to join a different office.
Okay. Well, one of the things is that they can file you're not sure which one is going to go, because you have to be sure, because I have a situation right now where after everything was approved, when the person filed for the green card, they denied it because they say you moved office. So I would recommend waiting everything moving, then filing, then starting the process, because the ads and all the stuff will be regional. So it's going to go according to the region where you are. So if you put it, for example, in California and you're planning to work in New York down the road, it will be an issue. But you can also have the difficulties in this is like it's not like H-1B where you can put two addresses. So you need to be careful on this. I would recommend waiting the move and then write it. But if you're not sure you're going to move, that's another issue. It will delay your case.
Yeah, so I would rather get started. I just wanted to know.
But I don't recommend it if you're going to move and down the road, because as long as they will move you back, you're okay. So, for example, let's say I file in California and I send you temporarily to New York to work, and then when the green card days is going to come close, I will bring you back to California. That's okay, because it's for future employment. But if you're going to move permanently there, then it will be, once they find out it will be a fraud, they will deny your case. So be careful on that. And the lawyer should know which one to pick. And if you need help on that, give me a call. I'll guide you. But the truth is that I will wait if I were you. Okay?
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much.
Okay. Good luck to you. 510-742-5887. And ladies and gentlemen, I know the lines are the board is full, and Michaela is doing an excellent job. But before I continue, I wanted to talk a little bit about one thing. For one, of course, the H-1B season is opening, and if you need help, it's time now to get ready, because things are not like before where you could wait the last minute. Don't let your employer wait the last minute. Don't wait the last minute. We are already taking a bunch of cases, and we have to align them. So please contact us if you need to do new H-1B cases. We're pretty good at it. We will plan you, even if you're a new company, a small company, big company, you name it. If you need help, give us a call. 510-742-5887. And just to let you know, anything I'm telling you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. The number to our office is 510-742-5887. And I repeat that for those who want to do new H-1B, and H-1B is opening, now is the time to start, because by the time you gather the documents, do the credential evaluation, and we are going to start filing the LCA soon, so be ready for that. And if you're a new company, you might have issues on setting up your account with iCert, so make sure you start early, and we are helping a lot of companies, and we will give you a special company discount. Please give us a call, 510-742-5887. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here.
Hi, Mr. Shah.
Hi.
This is Vishnu. Thanks for your service and patience, for helping people like me.
Oh, thank you so much for your kind words. What can I do for you, sir?
I'm on H-1B visa, and I'm working as a contractor, like client A. It started in January, and it's supposed to go all the way this year. But I found one more opportunity with a client B. So we already filed H-1 amendment with job at client location A. So I want to know, if I go and take the offer with client B, can we do the amendment again, or will I have to wait for my first amendment to complete So please let me know.
That's an excellent question. A lot of people are asking that. No, you have to file it. I know it sounds very, very stupid, but you have to do it, unfortunately, because they made it this way. Every time you do an amendment, you have to keep filing it. Even the previous one is pending, because if you don't, then they will come back and hit you with the assignment case. The idea of filing the amendment is to advise them that you're changing location or changing a material change on your case. So no, you don't wait. You keep filing it as you move, okay? I know it's very, very counterintuitive. It's not practical. It costs money, but that's why they designed it this way. You got to do it, okay? All right?
Okay.
Do your
thank you,
amendment
Mr.
again.
Shah.
Good
I
luck
have
to
one
you,
more
sir.
question if you have time.
Yes, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so I mean, actually, I have my friend, he's working for some company and he has I-140 approved everything. And he got one more offer from another company. He wants to go for a full-time job with company B. So, but the other company B is not filing the green card. So he wants to work for company B for 1 year and go back to company A. So is it okay if he can switch after 1 year and keep the I-140 with company A?
Of course. The I-140 is for future employment. So, for example, let's say you have an I-140 for company A, and you want to work with company B. You can go and work with company B. You can actually work with company A and B if you do what we call simultaneous H-1B. I forgot the word, but it's basically you can have two H-1B running. You can work for both, but you don't really have to. And if down the road he wants to return to A, he's allowed to do that. As long as company A doesn't revoke the I-140, yes, he can go back. He's free. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Good luck to you. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live on air.
Hi, Shah. My name is Praveen.
Hi, Praveen.
I have two questions. One is that my RFE got stuck more than 4 months. This is the fresh H-1B. And when I call them, they say, we raised an SR, they say it's under judiciation. And when we call them, they asked us to wait, don't do premium processing too. Maybe it's at the verge of approval. So what do you recommend to do premium processing? And my
honestly,
is,
I have a case exactly like that. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I thought you finished. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Yeah. Can I, because this petition is with the consultant, can I transfer my H-1B without the petition approval copy, just with EAC number to another employer? Because I also got a full-time employment.
Technically, yes, but you need to be smart how to do it. So what I would recommend is you give me a call at the office, show me all those numbers, I'll tell you how to do it, because it requires some dexterity to do it. But yes, you can do it, but they might ask you to do consular processing if you have a pending situation. So, it is doable.
No, I'm not doing it when it is in pending. Say once it gets approved, after that I will do a premium processing because it's a consultant. He won't give me I-797
copy. Is it a new H-1B? Is it the new quota?
Yes.
So you're talking about last year case is still pending, right?
Right.
Yeah, then there might be some issues because I was mentioning that earlier, because once they see you doing that, then what they think is that you just use this company to get into the H-1B quota. But the truth in your case is not your fault. It's just like they made you wait. But before you make any move, give me a call at the office. Let me look at the case closely. Then I'll tell you if it is a good idea to move right away or not. But yeah, technically you can, but in practical terms we need to be careful. Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good luck to you. But I think premium is a good idea at this point probably, because I had a situation exactly like that where it's getting stuck after RFE, so we have to do premium now. Okay. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, good luck to you. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here.
Yeah, hi Shah. Thanks for taking my call.
You're welcome, sir.
I had last year received a conditional green card and it's due for renewal next January. My question is, they had a typo on my first name. Is it worth the effort to get the name corrected now itself, because it's showing almost 9 months for that form to be processed, or just have them request a name correction next time when I do the renewal?
Yeah, it's better to correct it later, because what's going to happen if you file now for the correction, it might take like 5 months or 6 months to get done, and you will have to go through a lot of hassle. But you can also try to correct it by giving them a phone call, but they will ask you to return the card. So I would recommend just do it in one shot when you do the removal of condition. That means when you refile for the permanent. So it's not something that is important if it is a minor typo. But if it is, but correct it at the I-751 removal condition. Then you correct it there, okay?
And I should write a letter during that application saying incorrect.
Yeah, you write a letter, you say there was a mistake on that, and this is my name, and you put the right name on the application. That's it.
Okay, all right.
Okay?
Thank you very much.
And if you need help, just let me know. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in air. Hello?
Hi, Mr. Shah.
Hi, how are you doing, sir?
Good. How about you?
I'm doing well. What can I do for you?
I have a question. I'm on F1 OPT extension, and my OPT extension ends next year, May 2017. My company is filing H1 this year. What if I am not lucky and I don't in the lottery system if it's not picked up? Can I apply next year? Because by May 2017, my OPT extension ends.
No, you can apply, yeah, but you won't be able to stay in the country. So that's a different story. You have to revert back to another student visa or something. Next year, yeah, you can apply next year. While let's say you went back to your country and you want to apply from there, yeah. But if you want to stay here, that's a different story. You need to get yourself back on a student visa or some other visas. But nothing is granted if the case is not picked in the lottery. But if the case is picked in the lottery, then you get cap gap until October 1st. But if not, then you're out. You have to find something else to stay. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Good luck to you. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if I have more callers, but I think I do. So, this is Shah Peerally. You're live in here. Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Yes, this is Shah Peerally. You're live in here.
Hi, sir. Thanks for taking our call. I have a question regarding my wife's change of status. So, she applied for a change of status from H4 to F1. And when we received the receipt, we realized that we had made a mistake on the application. Her year of birth was incorrect. So we called up USCIS and asked them what to do. They advised us to send a letter to them and to write the correct year of birth in that. We did that, and recently we received her approval notice. Her change of status is approved. And on I-797A, I am still seeing that the year of birth is incorrect. So what should we do now?
Yeah, you need to give them a call again and let them know. And then if that doesn't work, you have to resend the letter you sent and send a new letter with the old letter and let them know that there was. As long as you inform them, then it's not like you're lying, so they will be okay. Give them a call and mention that date of the letter. And then if you have to send a new letter, you send a new letter with the old letter attached, and then you send it to them, okay?
Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Good luck to you. And if you need help, give me a call, 510-742-5887. The website to check is attorneyonair.com. I know, ladies and gentlemen, there are still people waiting on the line. So give me 1 minute. I wanted to talk a little bit about something very interesting now, which is debt settlement. Debt settlement is one of the services we provide. This is where we can help people to get out of debts. The three main debts people have right now, well, they do have other debts, but the main ones we can really help are credit card debts, 2, litigation debts. For example, people have a lawsuit against them and they lost and now they owe money. We can help them basically reduce those debts. And also second mortgage. But second mortgage is a caveat. There's something that a lot of people call me say, you didn't explain that. So I'm going to explain. The second mortgage only works if your property is underwater. If you have equity in your property, the chances of getting that is not great unless the equity is less than the second mortgage, things like that. So these are not something. It used to be easy because most properties were underwater back in the days. So this is not something very common now, especially in the Bay Area. But some areas in California is still there, so we can still help. As for the credit cards of people who have used a lot of credit cards and now suddenly find themselves with so much debt, and right now, like we found today, Yahoo is terminating a lot of people, and I know a lot of people, unfortunately, are going to lose their jobs, and many of them probably use credit cards. So we can help them. We can help them deal with those credit cards, and you don't have to file a bankruptcy. What we do in a debt settlement is basically what we go ahead and we pretty much negotiate the debts. We negotiate those debts in a way that it becomes a fraction of its value. So, for example, you owe $100,000 on a credit card, we might be able to negotiate it for $20,000, and they forgive you for $80,000. And just I'm giving you those figures as examples. You will see good examples on our website, yourdebtsettlementattorney.com. Those are actual examples. But if you go in reality, you will have issues of if you go and try this on your own, sometimes you might be lucky, sometimes you might not. So if you need any help, please let us know if you need help on the debt settlement or even immigration. I think I have Amit on the line, but before I take Amit, let me take one more caller and then I'll put Amit on the line. This is Shah Peerally, you'll have an ear. Hello?
Hello, Shah.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing good, Shah. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm doing okay. What can I do for you?
Shah, I'm working for an IT MNC on a F1 OPT visa in Bay Area.
Mm-hmm.
And my OPT is expiring exactly on May 10th, 2016 this year. And the court has given DHS time exactly till the same date, May 10th,
yes,
2016.
Yeah, the extension one, yes.
So I'm confused now whether to go ahead and apply for OPT STEM extension. Anyhow, my company will be applying H-1B, but not sure whether it gets selected in the lottery or not. So I'm leaving that part. And I'm just thinking about whether to go ahead and apply for OPT STEM extension or wait till March 10th. That's, I think, the deadline for the DHS to publish the new rule. Wait till that time and see what's there in the new rule and apply. Or
you don't wait. First of all, get you an H-1B. And also give me a call at the office. I can guide you because you cannot count on something which is not finalized yet, okay? And plus, if you already got the extension up to the 27 month, they might give you another 8 month or not, so we don't know yet. But the new OPT is a lot more strict than the old OPT extension, STEM extension. So be careful on that. I would recommend trying to jump on an H-1B as soon as possible. If not, give me a call at the office. I can assess your case better. But at this point, don't count on something which we don't even know if it will come, okay? Because right now you're lucky it stops at the same time the extension was granted by the court. By the way, it's a good time you're talking about that. There was an extension granted by the court. As you know, the OPT was going to expire in February, but they're allowing it till May. The OPT is STEM extension, not the regular OPT. So I will not recommend counting on that. Maybe you can, maybe not. But at this point, I cannot count on it because we have not seen anything concrete on this, okay? So right now, get onto H-1B or give me a call and we can look into other visas because sometimes people don't know you might have other visas available, okay?
Okay, Shafari, I'm sorry. I think I'm on F1 OPT. I'm not on STEM extension yet.
If you're not on that, then yeah, let us hope they will pass that law. But unfortunately,
so you want me to go ahead and apply for STEM extension or wait till
Talk to your DSO and apply for it right now because we don't know. Hopefully, it will go through. But in the meantime, also file your H-1B. Okay? I thought your STEM was reaching the end on the same day, and then, as you know, in the new OPT, if it passes, is 24 months, so there will be another 8 month extra. So I was thinking, 7 month extra. So I was thinking that's what you were talking about. But the STEM extension, yeah, you should apply for it, and in the meantime, also go ahead and look for an H-1B. Okay, just in case. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I don't know if Amit, I think I lost Amit on the line. Amit, are you there? Hello?
Hello?
Hey, Amit, are you there?
Hey, Shah, how are you?
I'm doing well, Amit. I'm doing well. I hope you're doing well. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Amit. He's going to discuss, of course, our friend Amit. You know him. He's been there for a while with me, and he's going to discuss a little bit about debt settlement and real estate. And anything we're going to tell you is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. The number to call, 510-742-5887. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back on Monday, but Amit will continue. So I'm expecting a lot of people will be expecting some Punjabi from you.
Yes,
so
definitely.
So you have 10 minutes to go. So go ahead, Amit. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Michaela. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Shah. Yes, and Sat Shri Akal, Adab Namaste to all the listeners. Hope you guys are having a good day. It's excellent weather today, sunny, and you guys going to enjoy this. And yes, and just like that weather, the ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ real estate the market ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਕਾਫੀ hot ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. And a lot of people are overbidding most of the areas like in Fremont and in the San Jose side, things are like really heating up, and plus the Super Bowl is next week, so that's also giving us the little bit of the heat as well in the real estate market because of that too. They also I actually told up details and that if you are looking for anything regarding the real estate, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ contact ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ. ਮੇਰਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੈਗਾ 510-299-9361. Sada jada office hai, it is located in Fremont and very central located, close to Centerville and on Thornton. They ਅਸੀਂ specialize ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ in everything that has to do with real estate. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਕਾਨ ਵੇਚਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਖਰੀਦਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ actually move ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ, like you're planning to rent out as well, we do the property management too. And on top of that, ਸਾਡੇ firm ਦੇ which we also do the loans as well. So if you are looking to refinance and you want to get the best rate, you can give us a call for the details, and we can definitely help you out with our lender team. On top of that, we also do a lot of different things in different areas of real estate as far as the investment-wise is concerned. We do take care of some commercial needs. If you are plan karte pe ho, you want to have a rental, properties such as apartment complexes and all the stuff, duplexes, fourplexes, triplexes. We take care of all that needs as well too. Actually, if you want to actually manage the properties from us, our rates are pretty good, and we can definitely help you out in that. So give me a call if you are looking for any of these needs. My number is 510-299-9361. And on top of that, agar you're looking for amazing deals from the foreclosed properties, we do specialize in foreclosed homes as well, and we also buy properties from auction. We buy from county steps and then we rehab it. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਾਡੀ ਆਪਣੀ construction team ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ that can definitely help you out in doing the remodeling and putting it back in the market. So give us a call for that too, and we can definitely help you out in all this stuff. So number again is 510-299-9361. And मेरी ਜਿਹੜੀ website ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ for all the details about me, you can go on www.gambhiramit.com. ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ because it's a seller's market and buyer's market ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, but as far as somebody asked me if I plan ਅਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ property market ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ, do you guys do the staging, and does the staging ਜਿਹੜੀ staging ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, does it really matter a lot to make sure that you're getting the price? But for me as an agent and a realtor, the thing is I have sold quite a few properties. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ thinking ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, the way actually the real estate market work is, if you do upgrade your house the nice way and some areas, the best one is to upgrade is your living area, kitchen, and the bathrooms, and make sure your roofs and your gutters and all the foundation is all cleared up. Then you don't have to worry about the staging. But definitely we do have a team who can help you out in the staging as well. But the two main criteria, agar tusi dekhte payo, you want to sell the property in this market, is how the house has been remodeled. On top of that, you need to understand that the market price is very good. So you have to make sure that your valuation it is done by somebody who knows the market very well and understand that price understand your needs. Agar the which tenant we can definitely help you out with that, because definitely for the tenants they have rights and everything to take care of. So that's why we do the property management, and we can play a big role in that for you too as well, and help you out all your needs on that one. So for that, give us a call again. Number is 510-299-9361. So like I said, if you are planning to sell the property in this market, this is the perfect time, and we actually save thousands of dollars. We save it on the commission wise, because we know that it's very hard to maintain the pricing and all this stuff, but there are a lot of expenses as well. So we have investors in-house investors that can close the deal in 3 days. They can buy property in cash in any area that you have the property, any condition that you have. We can close it. We can let you know the price, and then we can go ahead and take over it and fix it and do whatever the investor wants to do. But agar tonu, commission bachani hai in $1,000, in that case, you can definitely call me. Number is 510-299-9361. Sadiko in-house investors who are ready to buy cash properties in 3 days and close it in 3 days. Again, the number is 510-299-9361. So this is the good part of the real estate, but the bad side is, there are a lot of people as well, debt which because, things have been getting good, but some of their credits have been messed up. And the last time when the market was down, अगर तुम्हारे कोल कोई भी credit card का debt हैगा, तुम्हारे कोल कोई भी tax lien हैगी है, कुछ भी हैगा, जेड़ा कि it's not letting you do what you want to do. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਸ਼ਾਹ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਨੂੰ. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਡੈਟ ਨੂੰ ਸੇਵ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 2 ਲੋਨ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, if you want to get rid of the second loan, he can definitely settle the second loan as well. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਨੰਬਰ ਹੈਗਾ 510-742-5887. And their office is located in Newark. They anything that you do regarding the real estate या debt settlement with any of our team or the Shah Peerally team, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਪੈਸੇ upfront charge ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ. There is a free consultation for that. So give us a call. Like I said, it's a one-stop shop. We do everything: in-house investors, property management, whatever you want to do. We can definitely help you because our main thing is to save you money, help you guys out, and build long-term relationship with our clients and all the stuff. So, this is the amazing part of it. And like I said, the rates are pretty good as well. Market is really hot. A lot of people are buying. The rates actually, we just checked last time. I think it was under 4% right now for a loan amount under 417. They're going to see, you want to refinance it. This is the perfect time to go for it as well. So give us a call. Number is 510-299-9361 for Shah Peerally, 510-742-5887. Then we do have an event coming up actually in ICC Milpitas. Agar tusi party karna chahte ho sade naal, we are sponsoring an event in ICC for the Valentine's Day, and the actress, there is an actress coming in for Evelyn Sharma. If you guys want to meet and greet her, give me a call for the ticket details. We can definitely help you out in that too. So, we're just helping our community out, our friends out, to support them and give them the, our opportunity to work with them too as well. So for that also, you can call me. Number is 510-299-9361 is on the 14th in ICC Milpitas, and you can bring in your family and have fun, and it's going to be a family fun event, so great venue. So give me a call, and like I said, it's a great day. Make it a great day. Have fun. And for any of your real estate need, debt settlement, give us a call, and to Shah Peerally team, we can definitely help you out. That's all I have for you guys today. Have fun and enjoy, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.